तो हिमांशु जी अभी क्या देखने वाले हैं?
अब हम देखने जाएंगे हमारा 4.5 BHK का टेरेस डुप्लेक्स एंड फॉर दैट वी नीड टू गो अप द डाउनस्टेयर्स.
So let's go.
Yes, yes. So right now, Pankaj, we are on the first floor of 4.5 BHK.
Great.
So first floor पे if we see this is going to be again the entrance part and first floor पे we have two 4.5 BHKs.
Okay.
So we'll see this one.
And the good thing is lobby area काफी अच्छा मिल
Yes,
रहा है.
this is spacious floor.
Ventilated also.
Yes, because
अभी
हाँ
अभी ये जो अपना 4.5 है,
हाँ
इसके लिए ऊपर से भी एंट्रेंस रहेगा या
Yes,
नीचे से
भी.
So you are getting entrance on 2 floor.
yes. So this is your entrance for the first floor, जहाँ पे you get this living and dining areas. So as you can see, guys, there are some raw materials which are left behind by the workers of this society premises, and this is for you only because यहाँ पे कैसा है, they are just doing the final process of revamping and everything. So we'll be doing the acid wash and everything. So this is going to be your living and dining areas.
Friends, मैं आपको जस्ट बताना चाहूँगा, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी स्पेशियस. लाइक ऐसे लग रहा है कि किसी ग्रैंड बंगलो में मैं आ चुका हूँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे एक हॉल के अंदर काफी बड़ा स्पेस है एंड लाइक ये पिलर के चारों तरफ यू आर गेटिंग द स्पेस एंड स्पेस.
Yes.
व्हाट यू से हिमांशु?
Exactly. So on this first floor you have this huge terrace. So from this terrace portion, the family can sit together. They can enjoy this view. As you can see, Pankaj bhai, यहाँ पे almost 180 डिग्री का व्यू आपको ओपन मिलता है.
Yeah, of course, and it's kind of relaxing.
Yes,
you know, मैं
exactly.
अभी like we are shooting a professional video, but even in mid of this video, I'm feeling कि यहाँ पे रुकने का मन हो रहा है एकदम से आने के बाद,
Exactly.
क्योंकि इस साइड में काफी अच्छा हिल व्यू है एंड यहाँ पे पूरा अम्यूनिटीज डेवलप हो रहा है. एक काफी एक कहते हैं ना प्योर एयर आ रहा है और एक अच्छा पॉजिटिविटी फील हो रही है
Yes.
बाय ओवरलुकिंग द व्यू एंड द एयर कमिंग फ्रॉम द हिल्स.
Yes, exactly. Because ये जो आप बता रहे हैं पंकज भाई, that you are getting this positive feelings. Apart from वास्तु, बहुत से clients को कहते हैं कि वास्तु compliant होना चाहिए. But apart from वास्तु, I say there are two more things which is required. That is your ventilation part and the proper sunlight. तो अपने घर जितने भी हैं, they are like east facing flats. So south east का यहाँ पे air ventilation है, and I'll tell you guys, of this land parcel 77% is the open space.
Okay.
हमने
And
कहीं भी इसको
if I talk
compact नहीं
about the terrace area,
Yes.
ये कितना बड़ा टेरेस रहेगा?
Almost 150 square feet.
Honestly बताओ, इतना बड़ा टेरेस मैंने देखा ही नहीं. अगर वेस्ट पुणे में बात करूं, इतना बड़ा टेरेस कितने बाई कितने का टेरेस है?
Almost 15 by 10 feet का, 150 स्क्वायर फीट का टेरेस.
150 स्क्वायर फीट का टेरेस है और इस तरफ से भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप व्यू देखिए. व्यू इज ऑल्सो
It's very huge actually. And this is your common terrace and you get access for the common terrace also.
एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द अम्यूनिटीज, सामने ही स्विमिंग पूल आ रहा है.
This is the swimming pool and deckboard area.
एंड दिस इज द
Life enrichment center is what we say because generally clubhouses में what we have is like indoor games and gymnasiums only. Apna is not a clubhouse. This is something very different. We are calling this as a life enrichment center because we are coming with our own in-house restaurants. We'll have our own alfresco dining areas. We'll have party open terrace areas. We'll have doctor's room, physiotherapy rooms होंगे, yoga session rooms होंगे. So we have multiple options coming in the same section. और अगर मैं amenity sections की बात करता हूँ, this is going to be the vehicle free zone. Not even two wheelers will be allowed because यहाँ seniors होंगे, kids होंगे, they will be playing inside. So this is the swimming pool and that is the multi-purpose. So as you can see guys, यहाँ पे पूरा ये portion आपका greenery reserve forest का lifetime.
तो अगर मैं ये 4.5 डुप्लेक्स की बात करूं, तो
Yes.
इसमें कितनी टेरेसेस है?
You have a single terrace. This is your single terrace. Apart from this, you will be having multiple, standing balconies.
Okay. Yeah, I can see that one also.
Yes, you have a standing balcony here. You have a standing balcony in your living and dining area.
Okay.
If we go on the second floor,
Yes.
जो इसका second floor coverage है, in the master bedroom you have another standing area.
And what about that, like that top?
The common terrace you have that access.
Okay.
जो लिफ्ट हम दे रहे हैं डुप्लेक्स सेक्शंस में इज कवरिंग द बेसमेंट एंड द टेरेस लेवल.
सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप ये डुप्लेक्स लेते हैं तो आपको ये टेरेस तो मिल रही है और ऊपर जो कॉमन टेरेस है उसको भी आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं,
Yes,
राइट?
exactly.
व्हिच इज अ ह्यूज लाइक
Yes, it's a huge terrace.
इवन मैं यहाँ सोच रहा था यहाँ पे एक प्राइवेट पार्टी भी हो सकती है.
Exactly.
और वहाँ
You can
तो
have
काफी
this.
अच्छा, यू कैन ऑर्गेनाइज अ बिग पार्टी.
Yes, yes.
So let's move for the rooms and kitchen and other parts.
So this is going to be your dining section. As I said earlier, आपके लिविंग से भी एक स्टैंडिंग बैल्कनी हमने अटैच करके दी है.
This is a small balcony.
Yes, this is a standing balcony. अगर working couples हैं, अगर senior citizens. The main point is you are not getting any high-rise tower within the society premises or nearby any areas. So lifetime आपका ये view जो है, this is going to be open sections.
Sure. Ready.
So Pankaj bhai will now be seeing that kitchen portion, dry balcony and the bedroom section. So this is going to be the kitchen portion. I want to make you see this. We have just marked this one.
Okay.
And this marking is because we are going to widen the entrance of the kitchen area.
Okay.
So that you get a huge entrance also, and as you can see the kitchen is also again this one. This one is quite spacious.
Yes.
So this is going to be 10 by 12 feet of the kitchen area.
Great.
And attached to kitchen is your dry balcony. हालांकि जब इतनी बड़ी ड्राई balcony होती नहीं है.
हाँ, काफी अच्छी है.
But
बड़ी.
yes, this is a open dry balcony as you can see guys. So यहाँ से भी आपको अगर व्यू देखो तो you again get the views of this Shadri Hills जो आपके सामने आती है. This is the reserve forest area and that is your Shadri Hills. So now we'll be moving to the first bedroom of your 4.5 BHK terrace duplex. So this is again the kind of master bedroom what we have taken. And as I said earlier, आपके हर एक bedroom में mostly we are given this standing balcony. So as you can see, this bedroom too has a standing balcony.
No, of course.
Just beside your terrace.
This is a USP point. लाइक अगर दोनों साइड में देखो स्पेशियस है, साइड पर पूरी अमेनिटीज है.
Yes.
ऑलरेडी हमने काफी बड़ा टेरेस ऑलरेडी कवर किया.
Exactly.
यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बालकनी आपको मिलता है.
So
what is the size of this room?
this is again 30 by 11.
Almost 131 square feet.
Yes, exactly. So अपने जितने भी bedrooms हैं आपके साइज का 14 by 11, 15 by 12, 13 by 11 feet. So now we'll be going on the second floor. जहाँ पे we'll have the other three bedrooms and then we'll be going to the.
There is a common washroom.
This is the common washroom. So अपने जितने भी bedrooms हैं पंकज भाई has its own attached washroom and apart from this we have given this common washroom. So this is your second floor. So यहाँ पे आपको ये 3 bedrooms मिलती हैं. You get this bedroom, this attached washroom area. This is your passage lobby. And this is going to be your master bedroom. So this master bedroom has a sit-out window portion, has its own walking wardrobe area, and again a attached washroom. So as you can see, this washroom is also quite spacious. So guys, this is, as I said, Pankaj bhai, ये अपना मास्टर बेडरूम का सिट आउट एरिया है. मोस्टली अपने जो काइंड ऑफ बड़े लग्जरी सेगमेंट्स होते हैं जनरली सिट आउट एरिया में मास्टर बेडरूम में नहीं होता.
आराम से भी बैठ सकता है.
Yes, easily. The nature and everything.
And excuse the lock will be over.
Yes, we have given this long area for the storage purpose. And this is the third bedroom again. This is the fourth bedroom actually. And as I said, Pankaj bhai, आपको कि we have given multiple standing balconies just to have that ventilation and enjoy the nature part. Also come inside this bedroom again, you have this standing balconies. So apart from a bigger size terrace, we have given multiple standing balconies where one can sit, one can stand, one can enjoy the tea and coffee in the bed of the nature. So this is the second floor. And once you enter the second floor, standing balcony from the you can see this complete portion is open.
I can see the high-rise towers. ये कौन से प्रोजेक्ट हैं?
These are of Tata project. Tata
बीच में ये जो स्पेस है, एक you can see one bus over there.
This is going to be that land parcel जहाँ पे वो 40 meters का DP road जाएगा, and that will get connected to that Urse road.
Yes.
जहाँ से one can easily reach that Mumbai-Pune expressway, which is just behind the reserve forest.
Great. So this project is surrounded by all the big roads.
Yes.
And
One can have a
roads and a project like Tata.
Tata.
And even this side, the view is very good. Like this, I can see multiple,
I'll just ask the camera person
multiple
This
towers.
is exactly the Vadgaon city and
Yes.
Talegaon city areas.
Yeah.
So
Even
this is going to be the view one will get.
Yes.
if
आज
they
की
go
डेट में तलेगांव मार्केट में हर चीज़ है. क्रोमा
Yes.
है, रिलायंस डिजिटल है,
Yes, yes.
या मार्केट मल्टीप्लेक्स एंड एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल, राइट?
Yes,
Because nowadays people are comparing रावेत छोड़ के इतना आगे क्यों है, बट रावेत से बेटर लाइफस्टाइल आज तलेगांव में है. What do you say?
Yes, because within 10 to 15 minutes of drive, you have the international institutes, international schools, multi-specialty hospitals. You have Vadgaon, Talegaon railway stations. You
And
have colleges.
friends, like I like to remind you when you are doing such a big investment of 1.5 CR, तो ये सब चीजें बहुत मैटर करती हैं. अभी इस प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग में सब बड़े-बड़े स्कूल्स हैं. There is a पोद्दार स्कूल, इंडस स्कूल, हाई विजन स्कूल.
Yes, there is Alpros International Schools also.
Which one?
Alpros.
Alpros, yes. And there is a very good fine line on the L'Oreal.
Or it is also just on the walking distance of 200 meters.
So even आपको कभी भी गेस्ट के साथ वहाँ खाना खाने जाना है, या आपका मूड हुआ कि यार आज घर में खाना नहीं बनाना है, you can just walk away to the fine line. And
Yes.
there are multiple options. If you want to go in a range of 1-2 kilometers, there are multiple options.
Multiple options.
If you want to go by walk, there is a very good.
It's hardly distance of 200 meters. So it's a walkable distance.
And this is something a basic you can do interior as far as your needs.
As per, yes. So you can see, apart from this standing balcony,
Yes.
for the cross ventilation point of view, we have given two windows. On my left hand side is the first, and on the right hand side is the second. So being in the nature part, being surrounded by reserve forest, to get ample, terms of amount कि आपको ventilation मिलता रहे.
Of course.
You get a very good cross ventilation.
Of course.
Even during the summers also, 4-4:30 बजे, हाँ थोड़ी गर्मी होती है, but 4-4:30 बजे के बाद you start feeling that cool breeze coming all the way from the reserve forest.
Of course.
So now we'll be moving to this common terrace, and we'll see how huge that common terrace is. So this is going to be your second access. This is the second floor, guys. This is the common lobby area. So now we'll be moving to this common terrace. So as you can see from the right, this is a very huge terrace where you get 360-degree view of the Shadway in the front. You get the view of that highway. You get the view of this reserve forest.
And what is on that side? You see there are.
Those are NA sanctioned bungalow plots. As I said, जहाँ पे हमें sanctions is 1.35, you can construct up to G+2 without, from the builder's end, we are not giving any standard level. So if anyone, कोई भी अपना जो खुद का dream home बनाना चाहता है, as per their design, as per their concept, they can go for the NA sanctioned bungalow plots.
There is a lot of work is already has been done.
Yes. अगर अपने पास कैसे ऑप्शंस हैं, if a client wants a immediate possession from plot sections, अपने पास ready में भी है, and by December and this year only we'll be handing over the second section.
So now where we are moving ahead?
Now we'll be seeing 3 BHK row houses, जो कि ready possession state में हैं, and then we'll going to see that bungalow plots, exactly what the sizes are, and then we'll be seeing 3 BHK residential towers and the townhouse.
That's good.